Today, we're diving deep into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the multi-cooker that will revolutionize your kitchen and simplify meal prep like never before. If you're looking to buy an Instant Pot, this 9-in-1 powerhouse truly does it all. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté, steamer, warmer, sterilizer, and even a sous vide. Imagine replacing countless appliances with just one sleek device, freeing up precious counter space. What makes it special are the 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to cake, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Just set it and forget it for perfect results, every time. And for durability and easy cleanup, the food-grade stainless steel inner pot is simply unmatched. No chemical coatings, just pure convenience. This is truly the best electric pressure cooker for anyone seeking efficiency and versatility in their daily cooking. Want to upgrade your kitchen? You can find the exact model we're reviewing right now via the link in the description below. From quick weeknight dinners to gourmet weekend meals, the Instant Pot Duo Plus consistently delivers delicious food with minimal effort. It's a game changer for busy individuals and families, making healthy cooking accessible and enjoyable. Seriously, if you're searching for the best kitchen gadget for 2025 that offers incredible value and performance, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have.